Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Developing Mathematical Minds. This is the lecture for class 12th. We were doing matrix in the last few classes. We were doing matrix, definition of matrix, types of matrix. Then we did operations on matrix, addition of matrix, subtraction of matrix, multiplication of matrix by a scalar. Now today what we'll do the multiplication of two matrix. Important topic without which we cannot proceed. जब तक मुझे दो मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना नहीं आएगा आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू प्रोसीड इन मैट्रिक्स. सो फॉर डूइंग द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू मैट्रिक्स द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज दैट व्हेन टू मैट्रिक्स कैन बी मल्टीप्लाइड. भाई जैसे एडिशन में क्या था, दो मैट्रिक्स को ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट तभी कर सकते हैं व्हेन दे आर ऑफ सेम ऑर्डर. टू मैट्रिक्स कैन बी एडेड और सब्ट्रैक्टेड इफ दे आर ऑफ सेम ऑर्डर. Similarly, if we are multiplying, we are having a matrix A and we are having a matrix B. तो कब ये मल्टीप्लाई हो सकते हैं? तो I will say that a matrix A of order m by n, a matrix A of order m by n can be multiplied with a matrix B of order n by p, n by p. That means I will say that the matrix A can be multiplied by B if number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. Only then we can multiply those two matrix. और वो तभी और पॉसिबल हो पाएगा जब A का जो ऑर्डर है, सपोज करो A का ऑर्डर क्या है, वो है m by n. Then the order of B should be n by something. n by something मान लो मैंने यहाँ पे t लिया हुआ है. So the two matrix can be multiplied. The two matrix can be multiplied only when the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Multiply करना कैसे है वो बात की बात है. करना कैसे भी मेथड सीखेंगे. But multiply होगा कब? When we can multiply the two matrix. That is more important. कि मल्टीप्लाई होगा कब? तो टू मैट्रिक्स कैन बी मल्टीप्लाइड व्हेन द नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स ऑफ फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स इज इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ रोज ऑफ द सेकंड मैट्रिक्स. सपोज A is of order m by n, then B should be of order n by something, suppose P. Now when I will multiply these two matrices I will get a matrix C. When I will multiply these two matrices मेथड में डिस्क्राइब करूंगा अभी, हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई हम करेंगे अभी. बट व्हेन आई विल मल्टीप्लाई वो बन जाएगा ए बी मैट्रिक्स. सपोज करो मैं उसको सी बोलता हूँ, मान लो ए बी मैट्रिक्स बन गया, मान लो उसका आंसर कोई सी मैट्रिक्स आ गया. आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग इनकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन मान मुझे देगी सी मैट्रिक्स देगी. जो सी मैट्रिक्स देगी उसका जो ऑर्डर होगा वो ऑर्डर क्या होगा, यहाँ से पहला वाला और यहाँ से बाद वाला, ये देगा मुझे ऑर्डर. ये बीच वाली चीज, ये चीज और ये चीज रिमूव हो जाएगी. तो आंसर देंगे तो ये बीच वाली जो चीज सेम है दैट विल रिमूव. आंसर आएगा m by p. आंसर आएगा m by p ऑर्डर. m by n can be multiplied with n by p and the answer will get, the multiplication of these matrix will get the order of m by p. m by p, that means rows of first and columns of second. That will get the multiplication of these matrices. So I am repeating again, the two matrices can be multiplied when the number of column of first matrix equals to number of rows of second matrix. That means A should be of order m by n, then B should be of order n by something, suppose P, n by anything, 2 3 4 9 कुछ भी, n by p मान लिया. तो when I will multiply these two I will get the order m by p. Now let us learn how to do the multiplication. Let us learn how to do the multiplication of two matrices. I will give 3-4 examples so that you will understand how to do the multiplication. So suppose I am taking a matrix 2 3 minus 4 1 minus 2 3. This is a matrix of order 2 by 3. That means if we need to multiply this matrix with some matrix, so I have to take that matrix in the form of this. That means 2 by 3. 3 number of column. I will take 3 rows. That means I will take 1 4 minus 2 7 3 minus. और बड़ा कर लो, मान लो और बड़ा कर लो. 4 minus 2 1. This is of order 3 by 3. तो सबसे पहले मुझे चेक क्या करना है कि नंबर ऑफ, इसकी नंबर ऑफ कॉलम कितनी है 3 और इसकी नंबर ऑफ रो कितनी है 3. दैट मीन्स these two are same, so these can be multiplied. अब मल्टीप्लाई करना कैसे वो सीखो. द मल्टीप्लीकेशन विल गिव मी, मल्टीप्लाई करते कैसे, इधर से इसकी रो को उठाते हैं, इधर से फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो को पिक किया, फर्स्ट कॉलम को पिक किया, ऐसे मैंने डार्क किया समझाने के लिए, एग्जाम में करना नहीं है। यहाँ से फर्स्ट रो पिक किया, यहाँ से फर्स्ट रो की फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स की फर्स्ट रो को पिक किया, और यहाँ से फर्स्ट कॉलम को पिक किया। देन आई विल मल्टीप्लाई हाउ, 2 into 1 is 2 प्लस 3 into -2 is -6। थोड़ा तरीके से कर देते हैं, एक बार समझा दें। 2 into 1, आई विल राइट 2 into 1 प्लस 3 into -2 प्लस -4 into 3। दिस इज द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, दिस इज A11 ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर मैट्रिक्स। नाउ अब मैं करूंगा, मैं इससे नीचे पहुंच जाऊंगा, ये सेम रख के इसके नीचे, तो अब ये आ जाएगा। अब ये काम करूंगा इसके साथ, दैट विल गिव मी, यहां से जब मैंने फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम विल गिव मी A11। नाउ सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम तो A21, दिस इज A21, दिस विल गिव मी A21। तो व्हाट आई विल डू, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 प्लस -2 into -2 प्लस 3 into 3। अब इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं है तो कैंसिल मतलब इसके नीचे मुझे नहीं जाना ना। अब इन दोनों काम हो गए, इसका काम करता हूं। अब मैं आई विल पिक दिस कॉलम and this same row again to write this element. This is first row, this is second column, first row, second column. I will get A12. यहाँ से क्या आया, A11, फिर A21. Now I will write A12. तो A12 यहाँ से क्या आएगा, 2 into 4. I will write 2 into 4 plus 3 into 7 plus -4 multiplied by -1. Then 1 into 4 -2 into 7 plus 3 into -1. Now ये अब इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं है, दैट मीन्स आई विल टेक दिस नाउ 4 into 2, तो 4 into 2 plus 4 into 2, 3 into -2 plus -4 into 1. Now 4 into 1 plus -2 into -2, 3 into 1. This. Now just simplify this. I will get 2 minus 6 minus 12 minus 18 plus 2 minus 16. Then 8 33. Then 8 minus 6 minus 4. 8 minus 10 minus 2. Now 1 plus 4 plus 9. 9 plus 4, 13 plus 4, 4, 1, 14. Then 4, this is minus 14 minus 3. Minus 17 plus 4 minus 13. 4 plus 4 plus 3. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. The order of this matrix is what? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. यहाँ चेक करो, यहाँ से ये 2 आया और यहाँ से ये 3, अपने आप ही ऑर्डर बन गया 2 by 3, बीच में से ये 3 रिमूव हो गया। दिस इज द ऑर्डर 2 by 3. This is the method how to multiply the two matrix. This is the method how to multiply the two matrix. ये एक एग्जांपल लिया हमने, और एग्जांपल लेते हैं समझाने के लिए, मल्टीप्लिकेशन को समझाने के लिए। आई एम टेकिंग सम मोर एग्जांपल सो दैट यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू मैट्रिक्स. सपोज आई एम टेकिंग only one row, 1 2 minus 1, order is 1 by 3, order is 1 by 3, and I am taking 3 2 minus 1. This order is now 3 by 1. Order is 1 by 3, order is 3 by 1. That means यहाँ पे भी 3 है और यहाँ पे भी 3 है. That means these two can be multiplied. I am taking a different possible orders so that you will be able to understand how to do the multiplication for different orders. Method is same in all the cases. Method is same. Now 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 1. That means the answer will be 1 by 1. ठीक है. That means I will take first row from the first matrix, first column from the second. That will give me the 1 into 3 is 3, 2 into 2 is plus 4, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, close. और कुछ बचा ही, इसके नीचे कुछ है नहीं, इसके उधर कुछ है नहीं. That means the order is 1 by 1. क्या आ गया, 3 4 7 1 8, 8 with order 1 by 1. You can check, यहाँ भी 1 है, यहाँ भी 1 है, तो order 1 by 1 ही आएगा. Let us do one more example. Suppose what I am doing, I am taking 3 4 minus 2 1. This is of order 2 by 2. This is of order 2 by 2. And suppose I am taking of order 2 by 1. 2 by 1. That means I have to take 2 rows and one column. So I am taking 3 minus 2, this 2 by 2 and 2 by 1. So let us multiply. What I will do, I will take this row and this column. 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. This is the first element. अब इसके तो कुछ है नहीं, इसके नीचे आएंगे. Here 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. अब इसके नीचे कुछ है नहीं, इसके तो कुछ है नहीं. That means complete this. So I will get the answer as 1 minus 8 with the order 2 by 1. You can check. 3 into 3 is 9, 9 minus 8, then minus 6 minus 2. Exactly. Answer is 2 by 1 because this is same. तो ये तो रिमूव हो गया, यहाँ से 2 और यहाँ से 1. आंसर आ गया 2 by 1. I am taking different order so that you will be able to understand how to do the multiplication of two matrix. Suppose I am taking the question as 3 by 1. 3 row, 1 column. 3 rows, 1 column. That means 1, 4 minus 2. Now I am taking 1 row, 3 column. 1 row, 3 column like this. 2 minus 1, 7. This is 3 by 1. This is 1 by 3. 1 row, 3 column. Now this is the matrix. This is 3 by 1. This is 1 by 3. When I will multiply these two, so I will take row from this. अब इसकी row में सिर्फ एक ये हो जा रहा है. This is the row only, and this is the column only. तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते. सीधे I will write a matrix. I will multiply 1 by 2. तो यहाँ पर सीधे 2 ही आ जाएगा. Simply सीधे. यहाँ पर इसको फिक्स रहा, इसके नीचे गए. ये A1 1, अब A2 1, तो 2 1, 4 into 2, यहाँ 8 आ जाएगा. क्योंकि अब यहाँ पे इसके साथ करने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं. We don't have the second element to multiply the corresponding elements. ठीक है. Now 4 into 2 हो गया. Now minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. तो ये कंप्लीट हो गया. For this छोड़ दिया इसको. अब वापस 1 पे गए और यहाँ से पिक किया इसको. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. 7 into 1 is 7. 7 into 4 is 28. 7 into minus 2 is minus 14. That's it. यहाँ से ये 1 और ये 1 रिमूव हो गया. आंसर क्या बच गया? 3 by 3. And answer is 3 by 3. So we have taken 3-4 examples to learn how to do the multiplication of two matrix. Now we'll do some properties of matrix. Some properties we'll do. Number one I'm saying is that A multiplied by B plus C will be equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. That means I can say A multiplied by this. A multiplied by B plus C, we can say that A multiplied by B plus C will give me A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. This. That means we can say that multiplication जो है वो distribute हो जाता है मैट्रिक्स के अंदर. Multiplication can be distributed over addition. Multiplication of matrix can be distributed over addition. ठीक है. Now second property ये है कि if I suppose A is a square matrix. A is a square matrix. Then A matrix multiplied by the identity matrix of same order. मतलब A मान लो A जो है उसका ऑर्डर n by n, तो I भी n by n का ही होना चाहिए. अगर A 2 by 2 का है तो I भी 2 by 2 का. स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. If A is a square matrix, then any matrix multiplied by an identity matrix. क्या होता है identity matrix? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix of order 3 by 3. 1 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix of order 2 by 2. So matrix multiplied by identity matrix will give me that matrix itself. And reverse भी होता है. Identity matrix multiplied by the matrix will give me that matrix itself. A multiplied by I is A. यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाइड साइन वैसे मतलब मैट्रिक्स में हम सीधे लगा देते हैं. A इंटू बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू ए बी प्लस ए सी कर सकते हैं सीधे. ए बी प्लस, क्योंकि यहाँ पर ये ए बी ए सी से क्या मैट्रिक्स है. तो वी कैन राइट दिस एज, यहाँ पर बेसिक मल्टीप्लाई मत लगाओ क्योंकि अलजेब्रा नहीं है, मैट्रिक्स है. A इंटू बी कहीं लिखा है ए बी. इसका मतलब क्या है? इन दोनों की मल्टीप्लीकेशन है. मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ दीज टू मैट्रिक्स. If A is a square matrix AI equal to IA. Number 3, we will say A is of order m by n and a zero matrix. This is zero matrix. This is zero matrix of order n by p. That will give me the answer as zero matrix. That will give me the answer as zero matrix of order m by p. If any matrix will be multiplied by a zero matrix so that these two can be multiplied, अगर ऐसा हो पा रहा है, then we can say that we'll get a matrix, zero matrix of order m by p. Of order m by p. Because all the elements will be zero. Zero into something, that will be zero. So we'll get a zero matrix. Now 4 is A into BC. A into BC, we are doing the multiplication of matrix. Now suppose we are doing A into BC, that will be equals to AB into C, like this. A into BC will be equal to A into BC. This is called associative property. This is called associative property of the matrix multiplication. For 3 matrix ABC we have. So these are the few conditions. Now one more property is there. If suppose करो any scalar multiplied by AB इस तरीके से है, so we can write that as A multiplied by lambda b. This is also possible, where lambda is a scalar. Where lambda is a scalar. Lambda into the multiplication of two matrix can be written as A into lambda multiplied by that matrix B. So A into BC equals to, this is called associative. This is the matrix multiplication by a scalar. Now we can see that we have done the addition, subtraction of matrix, multiplication of matrix by a scalar. The properties we have done the associate. This is the associative property, and this we have done by the for the constants lambda into AB equals to lambda A into lambda B, और ये भी बन सकता है. This will be equals to lambda A into B. This is also possible. This is also possible. Multiplicative identity हमने कर लिया, that A multiplied by I will give me A is equal to I into A. ये भी हमने कर लिया. जीरो मैट्रिक्स वाला भी हमने कर लिया है. Now एक चीज रह गया इंपॉर्टेंट, वो डिस्कस करते हैं. Then we'll do the questions in the next class. एक चीज क्या रह गया है, that if A is a square matrix, if A is a square matrix, then A multiplied by A is given A square. I will multiply the matrix A with the same matrix, I will get A square. When I will multiply A square with the matrix A, I will get A cube. When I will multiply the matrix A cube with the matrix A, I will get A4. And likewise, I will multiply a matrix A to the power m with a matrix A, I will get A to the power m plus 1. So this is the property which we will use in some questions, that if A is a square matrix, then A into A is A square into A is A cube, likewise. In general, I am saying that I will multiply A to the power of P with A, where P is a natural number, so I will get A P plus 1. This, like here. So today what we did the multiplication of two matrices with lots of examples, then we did the properties of matrix multiplication. Now in the next class we will do few questions of matrix multiplication and addition and subtraction. The concept we have already done: addition of two matrix or three matrix, addition of 2, 3, addition, subtraction, multiplication of matrix by a scalar, then multiplication of two matrix along with its properties. Now we will use them in few questions which we will do in next class, next video. Okay, thank you.